Yo, what's going on, guys? Android Expert 10 here, and today I'm bringing you a full-out review of an Android Emoji Keyboard. So let's get started. Now, I've had many people ask me, yo, you should definitely do a review of a Android keyboard that has emojis in it. And I was like, I would, but I couldn't find one. But if you, as you can recall, probably in my last video, I did a brief review of TouchPal. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use this emoji keyboard. It is extremely amazing. As you know, emojis, they originated back in the day from iOS devices, and they're mainly known to spice up a conversation, to show them that you're interested in talking, show your current emotions. And emojis are they're used throughout. So this keyboard, TouchPal, in the Play Store, I'll leave a description, or I'll leave the link in the description to this application in the Google Play Store, so you can directly click from there, so you wouldn't have to search this up. But I'm just going to be going in an in-depth review on this emoji keyboard. So first, in the general settings, let's just see, you can actually have sounds when you press the keys on your keyboard. Key vibrations, you have you can even change the font on your keyboard, the appearance, you can change what it looks like, how much size it has. You can change its altitude, its magnitude, or whatever I'm talking about. I have no idea, but it makes sense in my head. You can even change where it's located. I mean, you can put it up there for all you care about, but I like to keep it down here and keep it fairly medium-sized, you know what I'm talking about. So that's basically generally it for it. You can have the key press pop up. It's pretty cool. There's so much customization that you can do in this, that you can adjust this to your needs. And is there anything basic? You can manage you can even add a theme to your keyboard by downloading some local themes. You can even, let's see, I put in my own, but yeah, as you can see, I put that space theme looking thing on that, and it looks pretty cool. I've made the keys white, so I mean, it looks pretty cool. It actually tells you it has basically all of the regular motion sensors, the wave gestures, all that type of stuff. You can even use the swipe, and obviously select different languages. You can download different languages and even use that in a conversation if you'd like. I'm pretty sure somewhere in this it tells you how many words you've misspelled, or how many. It's a smart thing that it tells you how many words you've gotten wrong, or how many times it's used autocorrect. It's pretty cool, seeing your statistics. But yeah, it's pretty much it for that. Input. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's a speed statistics. Wow, I can't talk. Yeah, you can see all these. It's pretty cool. You have an entire meter going on here. And TouchPal Premium. I mean, you really don't have to download TouchPal Premium. This keyboard does the trick. Frequently asked questions. I mean, guess you can do that. Anything else that can be? Nothing really, but yeah, you can basically customize your keyboard in however way you want. And let me show you what the keyboard looks like in general. So let's go to Google. And you can type. You have obviously your caps over there. So if you type in Android Expert 10, it's really cool. It gives you a multitude of opportunities, and you can even have you can see your emojis. But obviously, since I'm using a Samsung device, it's gonna come up as different than emoji would look like. But you can still get your point across. You can still tell that this is a smile face, that you're smiling a little bit right there. You're an angel, you're a devil, you know. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's what I mean. Share this with you guys because I thought it was a really cool keyboard, and I thought that you guys would, since so many people have been asking me to do a review about this, I would get a review to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to download TouchPal. I mean, it's great. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe for future content. This is Android Expert 10, and I'm checking out. Peace.